Have a good one, okay? Woo! It's warm today, bud. 96 degrees. It's getting to be summer pretty soon. If it gets hotter, we're going to be in the pool pretty soon. Playing video games. Killing zombies. What is this? What was this? Did it fall off, JJ?
Come on, come on.
All right, buddy. Welcome home, buddy. His new chime. Got a lot of new stuff, huh? You're happy about? Did you do good in school today, bud? You look pretty good.
Really think that? Looks like he's kind of horrible to me.
Does he? Maybe. I just pulled out his iPad and his notes.
All good. In the morning, good afternoon. He had OT and music. All right. Reading and vocational. All around his day was good. He had music therapy, goals, rec, OT. They made fruit pizza and made dog treats. Good job, Sugar.
Fruit pizza. No pepperoni on those, huh? What kind of fruit did they put on the pizza? Like strawberries? What did they put? Do you know? Oh, there are pictures?
Yeah.
Ah.
I popped up in there, my buddy. I'm gonna let you out.
It's a warm one today, for sure, huh?
Oh, Blaine.
Summer might be coming quick.
Hey. Hey. Hey, did everybody like your hair? You still got those pretty curls. Yeah. Did they like your hair?
Got you a root beer, bud. Nothing like after a hard day having ice cold beer, huh?
Funny.
My bud. Hey, you want to go to check out that gym? You want to go check out the gym? Yes or no? You want to?
Fly it.
You want to fly your...
Yeah.
Okay. It's been charging, so it should be able to.
Gotta try it.
Daddy, try it, huh? All right, let's get it ready here, bud. You ready? Okay, here it goes. Oh, no, don't want to hit the ceiling. Here we go.
My hair.
Whoop. Oops, hit. Hey, bud, do you feel like going to check out that gym? Place where you work out? Yes or no? You want to go check it out real quick?
No.
No, you don't want to. All right, well, we will. Hey, you didn't open your Easter toy. You want to look at that toy? Check it out. Got all kinds of buttons to push, different things on it. It's supposed to take batteries. Let's see what else it does here. Oh, here we go. Pull this thing out right here, looks like. Here we go, bud. Got it. And here we go. Check it out now. Might make sounds. Push those buttons. Click. Open. Could put prizes in it maybe, huh? Alright, so much for that toy. Interesting toy. Something to fidget with.